Joint stock company Sumy Engineering Works Nasos Energomash. Modern times and prospects for development. Europe, Russia, Ukraine, Sumy region. Joint stock company Sumy Engineering Works Nasos Energomash is one of the largest pump building enterprises of Europe. Officially, the plant was established in 1949. The very first product manufactured on the plant was a water-decreasing installation for Volga-Don channel. Centrifugal pumps range was developed for after Second World War USSR national economy restoration. First barrel case feed pump PE 320-180 was supplied to Pridniprovskaya TPP. Serious manufacture of NM-type pumps for large-capacity oil pipelines was established. Manufacture of 10 type sizes of micropumps for orbital space station application was established. More than 1,000 pumps for nuclear power plants of Soviet Union and some other countries were manufactured. Joint stock company Sumy Engineering Works Nasos Energomash was established. A set of pump equipment was designed, manufactured and supplied to Tianwan Nuclear Power Plant, China. Joint stock company Sumy Engineering Works Nasos Energomash became the part of a machine building holding company, JSC HMS Group. Set of pump equipment was designed, manufactured and supplied to Kudankulam NPP, India. Large set of pump equipment was designed, manufactured and supplied for Vankor oil field and Verkhnechon oil gas condensate field construction, Russia. The largest projects: Yilganagiz machine channel, main water pipeline channel Zakhmet Turkmenkala, main and booster oil pipelines pumps for oil pipelines Purpe Samatlor, East Siberia Pacific Ocean and Zapolyarye Purpe, Russia, were designed, manufactured and supplied. A set of auxiliary and emergency cooling pumps, 36 pieces, were designed and manufactured for 3rd and 4th units of Tianwan NPP, according to contract with CNEIC, China Nuclear Energy Industry Corporation. From the 2005 joint stock company Sumy Engineering Works Nasos Energomash became the part of large multi-profile industrial investment group Hydraulic Machines and Systems HMS Group companies. Key activity of the HMS Group is EPC engineering and complex equipment supplies for the following industries: oil and gas mining, water supply and offtake, nuclear and thermal power generation. Joint stock company HMS Group today is well-recognized leader in design, production and supplies of pump, compressor and block module equipment. Staff more than 16,500 employees. Number of dealers more than 150. Equipment supplies for former Soviet Union countries, Eastern and Western Europe, Iraq, Indonesia, India and China. Joint stock company Sumy Engineering Works Nasos Energomash is one of the biggest enterprises of HMS Group. Production area more than 81,250 square meters. Product range includes more than 600 articles. 540,000 is the overall number of pumps manufactured throughout the plant's history. Over 1,300 pumps were built and supplied for nuclear power plants. Today, the plant's product supply geography covers more than 50 countries on 5 continents. An ambition for constant improvement of products and solutions allowed joint stock company Sumy Engineering Works Nasos Energomash to get leading positions in pump production for the following industries: oil mining and transport, thermal and power generation, housing and communal services, water supply and offtake. Clients of joint stock company HMS Group and joint stock company Sumy Engineering Works Nasos Energomash are the leading industry companies. Long-term partner relationship with clients has always been our core business value. The chief ambition of our enterprise is to be the leader among world's best-known pump suppliers. Our mission: to do our best for our clients' success, building complex pump solutions and equipment. Our business principles: quality, reliability, responsibility, manufacturability, trust, partnership. The company's core expertise is designing and producing centrifugal pumps with capacity from 3 cubic meters per hour up to 13,000 cubic meters per hour. Pumps for thermal power generation industry. Since the first boiler feed pumps built in 1959 to modern times, the company has manufactured and supplied more than 111,800 pump units for thermal power plants all over the world. Pumps for nuclear power generation industry. SUMI pumps are installed in all nuclear power stations of Russia and Ukraine. They were supplied for the NPP's construction in Bulgaria, Hungary, Slovakia, India and China. Pumps for oil and petrochemicals pipeline transport. More than 5,850 units of high-pressure water injection pumps were manufactured with different customized design variations tailored for each particular customer. Industrial pumps for water supply and offtake. More than 150,000 industrial pump units were manufactured and supplied for the pump stations of Europe and Asia. Vacuum pumps for various industries. The product range of vacuum pumps includes valve and plunger pumps for highly accurate tools and instruments, microbiological installations and electrical engineering. The enterprise's claim to success is based on years of experience and impeccable reputation. Project design facilities. Closed manufacturing cycle. Innovation in production technologies. As well as business processes automation, quality control, high accuracy testing, complete after-sales service. Project design facilities. Enterprise structure includes powerful research and design department. Besides our own design department, Enterprise has tight cooperation with leading Ukrainian Research and Design Institute of Nuclear and Power Pump Building, VNIAN. This cooperation guarantees state-of-the-art design solutions, advanced high-precision calculation methods, research and experimental testing for all design elements of the pump unit, new technology and equipment. Joint stock company SUMI Engineering Works Nasos Energomash constantly innovates in product design and manufacture. Such policy is very important because we ship sophisticated and reliable pumps to world's biggest companies. All our manufacturing departments were recently modernized and their processes optimized. To ensure high quality of our products, we renew and improve our machining park on a regular basis, as well as implement new units and equipment. To maximize foundry automation and increase casting product quality, we launched a new foundry where human factor is down to a minimum. New foundry's annual production capacity 4,000 tons of casting. New foundry product materials are the following: cast iron, different cast steel grades, duplex and super duplex steel. New foundry products comply with world's leading standards by the general outlook, its meticulous design, physical and chemical characteristics. Quality control. Pump units are manufactured in full compliance with the leading international industry standards. Oil pumps are designed according to the international standard API 610. Our oil pumps are included in the purchase list of joint stock company Transneft. Pumps for nuclear generation industry are included in the catalogue of equipment and materials for the NPP designing, building and operation of Russian Federation. We have implemented an integrated management system certified according to the international standards OSAS 18001-2007 and ISO 14001-2004. High accuracy testing. What makes our enterprise truly unique is the testing complex for high-pressure electropumping units, as well as large flow units, which have no analogies anywhere in CIS and Eastern Europe. Our testing complex makes it possible to test our pump units and nature capacity and rotation speed. It can also be used to simulate different failure and emergency situations which could occur during the actual operation. Only several of the world's leading companies have similar testing facilities. And now, joint stock company Sumy Engineering Works Nasos is one of the leaders in this field. Design technical characteristics. Design flow 25,000 cubic meters per hour. Design pressure 280 kg force per square centimeter. Design power 20 megawatts. Taking part in large-scale international projects. Over the last 5 years, the enterprise has made a significant progress in entering new markets. Nuclear power generation industry. We take pride in one particular type of product, a state-of-the-art boiler feed pump for NPP, PEA 1840-80. These pumps are intended for boiler feed water supply from deaerator to steam generator of the NPP unit. Pump parameters. Flow 1840 cubic meters per hour, head 910 meters. Having designed the pumps from scratch, we have supplied 20 units to NPPs of Russian Federation over the last 4 years. 10 pieces 2012 Novovoronezhskaya NPP 2. 10 pieces 2014 Leningradskaya NPP 2. The products of joint stock company Sumy Engineering Works Nasos are used extensively by the most important facilities within the industry. Rostovskaya NPP, Leningradskaya NPP, Novovoronezhskaya NPP 2, Kalininskaya NPP, Baltiyskaya NPP, Kudankulam NPP, India, Tianwan NPP, China. In oil industry, main oil pipeline East Siberia Pacific Ocean, ESPO-1, ESPO-2. There is an oil pipeline East Siberia Pacific Ocean, ESPO. Pipeline length more than 4,500 kilometers. Pipeline capacity 50 to 80 million tons of oil per year. Pipeline pressure 75 to 100 kg force per square centimeter. To transport such significant volumes of oil, powerful pump stations are needed. ESPO pump stations are equipped with pump units which were specially designed and manufactured by joint stock company Sumy Engineering Works Nasos Pump efficiency around 90%. Pump capacity more than 11,000 cubic meters per hour. Motor power up to 12 megawatts. Pump units quantity 48 pieces. Pump stations quantity 12 pieces. West Kurna is one of the largest world oil field, situated at Persian Gulf oil and gas deposit. 13 billion barrels of recoverable reserve. Base formations, Mishrif and Yamama. High-pressure water injection pumps, AUHCDP 240-1422 were manufactured. Applied materials ensure resistance to highly mineralized, aggressive salty water. Project development was carried out according to modern international standards API 610, API 614, API 682, API 671, ASME, ANSI. Centrifugal multi-stage barrel case pumps with hydraulic balanced rotor. Materials duplex steel. In water supply and offtake, JSC Sumy Engineering Works Nasosenergomash pump units are installed at all large municipal water supply plants of former Soviet Union countries as well as largest irrigation systems of Middle East. Pump stations of Pipeline Irrigation Channel, Turkmenistan. Head pump station of Yilginagiz Machine Channel, Turkmenistan. Zahmet Turkmenkala, irrigated area 45,000 hectares. Head pump station of Yilginagiz Machine Channel, irrigated area 35,000 hectares. Applied pump type, double suction pump of D12500 model. Rated pump unit capacity 12,500 cubic meters per hour. Overall number of manufactured units more than 100 pieces. Applied materials ensure resistance and long-term service while pumping water with significant sand content. Building Yilginagiz Machine Channel Head Pump Station. Overall capacity 35 cubic meters per second. Irrigated area 35,000 hectares. Thank you for your attention. We are open to cooperation.